This is the new XpertJet 1642WR from Muto. A 64-inch wide, new generation dye sublimation printer. Includes new features that improve user convenience. Automatic nozzle checking is one of the new features of the new XpertJet 1642WR. Automatically will clean the nozzles to continue the operation's nozzle recovery. The nozzle area select will keep printing with an active nozzle area in case of a temporarily clogged nozzle. This way the risk of a misprint during unattended operation will be reduced. The built-in color sensor automatically adjusts bidirectional printing and the media feed. This saves time and adjustments among different operators. Just print a pattern and the sensor in combination with the feed master will perform the necessary feed adjustments. The media tracker function will print a barcode before removing the media. Once the media is loaded again, the sensor will read the barcode and the operator will know if there's enough media to run the next job. The XpertJet 1642WR is the perfect 4-color 64-inch dye sublimation printer. If you have any questions, please contact us. We will be glad to help you.
For additional information, please visit us at www.inkjetbiz.com. Send us an email to orders@inkjetbiz.com. Or call us to 1-408-394-7595. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more InkJetBiz videos.